Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today uh, I am doing the present energies, the current energies of yours. What's going on with you? आपने अगर मेरी प्रीवियस रीडिंग नहीं देखी है तो जस्ट ट्राई एंड चेक इफ़ यू हैव टाइम. वो अगस्त की ओवरऑल करंट एनर्जीज थी. So I could relate a lot over here. So thought of doing this reading. So it starts from the right side. You see this card, the world. So like हमने previous reading में देखा कि अगस्त में we are going to release what's not serving to us. So definitely there's something that you're closing out, a cycle that you're closing out. It could be a relationship, it could be some belief systems which are not serving you, not letting you move forward. और आपके करियर में कुछ ऐसे पैटर्न्स आपकी जनरल पर्सनल लाइफ में या फिर हेल्थ वाइज एनीथिंग, any cycle, you're going to close it off. So if you see right below that, we have two cards which says you're looking back, there is something for which you are disappointed. So even if you're closing the cycle, and the Chariot shows that if you balance your dark and the light energy, which is your masculine and feminine energy, and definitely there is the sign for healing. You're also getting healed from the past wounds or whatever disappointments. This card shows the disappointments or the hurt that you've gone through in the past. You are going through the healings. Once you balance yourself, have control over yourself, you are definitely, with the Chariot card, you're moving forward. So closing the cycle, moving forward. However, if you see, this card shows कि अभी भी कुछ ऐसा है जो आपको hurt करता है और you're not out of it. You're still depressed, disappointed about something. And somewhere it has made you, the situation has turned you into, you're in the King of Swords energies. So if you say who's very stern, very egoistic, and तलवार एकदम सामने है, ready to fight, ready to confront, a little rude, ऐसा हो जाता है. You know, जब हम when we go through a lot of things in life, हमारे पास choice है कि हम या तो ऐसा बन जाएं या फिर हम ऐसा चूज़ करें कि हम अपना compassion, अपना love, अपना affection, हम अपने आप को नहीं बदलेंगे. क्योंकि the truth is that we cannot change others. All we can do is, हमारे लिए जो अच्छा है हम अपने आप को चेंज कर सकते हैं, अपने आप को एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं. So we don't need to be King of Swords. Swords represents आपकी thought, mental state. So this is what I understand from these cards. And then comes the Star card. So it says आपकी लाइफ में movement definitely आएगा, but there is something that you need to work on. And it's within. However, you are the star, which means that you are very pure. You are meant to shine. You see the big star, you're meant to shine. And it is also a card of healing. So currently you might be healing, you're in that state where you're healing yourself. And if you see, this person is pouring something here and also on the land with two hands. So which is the card of generosity and also giving back, balancing. This is what I see. So the person is pouring it here, जहाँ से हम पानी लेते हैं, and also जहाँ पे dried है, it is completely dried, it is pouring there also. Okay, So this shows that we are meant to shine. We are able to. We have the capacity to create the reality that we want to create in this life. So next one is the card for collaboration. So maybe somebody is coming forward, somebody very passionate, fast moving energies. It's the card of somebody who takes action. Sometimes बहुत सोच समझ के नहीं भी करता है this guy, because he's impulsive, rushing towards you. But however, you are very grounded, very discerning, prosperous, all by yourself. You use your intellect for the growth and for materializing your own intentions, whatever you want to gain. This is how I see this Queen of Wands. She's a queen, and this guy is Knight. So which shows there could be something जो आपसे you, both of you may not be at the same plane. So this also tells me कि आप जैसा सोच रहे हैं हो सकता है वैसा ना भी हो. But then don't forget that you are the star. You are meant to shine. You are somebody who creates your own reality. You have the capability. So moving forward, now this, even though there's a mismatch, it is your wish fulfillment. You might have definitely asked for it, or you're waiting for it. आपने ही मांगा होगा, इसलिए ये आ रहा है आपकी लाइफ में. It's a gift. It's a gift. So if we look at the next card, which is the Lover's card. So ये relation is protected by angels and blessed by divine. The sun shows divine. And there are two people who are blessed with this connection. हो सकता है कि अभी current या past circumstances ऐसे हैं कि you got hurt in the past. But the truth is that this is a soulmate connection which is coming forward, and this is your wish fulfillment. However, there is something which has been keeping you in this hanged position for very long. So when we see this card, आप लटके हुए तो हैं, but you're quite peaceful. आप peaceful भी हैं, आपके पीछे वो halo भी है जो यूजुअली हिंदू गॉड्स के पीछे होता है या फिर भगवान जी लोगों के पीछे होता है, विच शोज़ कि आपके इस तरह हैंग होने में कहीं ना कहीं भगवान जी का हाथ है. मतलब देयर इज़ समथिंग दैट नीड्स टू बी रिलीज्ड. यू सी इन दिस कार्ड, दिस गाय इज़ वॉकिंग अवे फ्रॉम ऑल द कप्स दैट दिस पर्सन हैज़. सो वॉकिंग अवे, you have to choose that what you want in life, and according to that you have to see what you are going to leave behind. I think that is the time. यहाँ पे this calls for a bit of a transformation, so that you are being given time कि आप सोच समझ के decision लें और सोचें कि what exactly, which direction you want to go to. आपने जो मांगा था दैट इज़ एनीवेज कमिंग बैक. बट हो सकता है कि एट प्रेजेंट आप दोनों एक प्लेन पे नहीं हैं. बट इफ़ यू बैलेंस योर सेल्फ, यू हैव द कैपेबिलिटी, यूजिंग योर डिसर्नमेंट, you can balance the situation. You can create the reality that you want. So that was the current reading, and overall deck energy is for Page of Cups, which is an offer, an emotional love related situation. You're getting an offer, a new opportunity. So this is the current situation. Now you see there is another deck which I have used to see that आपकी current situation के हिसाब से, if we pull the past life karmic energies, what is that you're supposed to heal, and rather I would say कि ये जो 2 cards हैं, why are you disappointed, still disappointed, and why are you hanged? Okay, so if we look at these 2 cards now, if you focus on these and let's see कि हमें कुछ past life karmic energies से, या हमने कैसे अपनी ज़िंदगी पहले past lives में जी है, what is that we need to we can do to improve our situation and materialize our desires. So if you look at it, I'm going to read all of them, pick what resonates from your situation, and please comments में कुछ लिखिएगा, whatever you felt about the reading. Did it resonate with you? Just like a friend you can write, right? So that I know I'm not a conventional tarot reader, so I have my own way of doing things. I also want an affirmation जो आप ही लोग दे सकते हैं, that ये किसी के साथ resonate हुई क्या. अगर आपसे resonate नहीं हुई तो you can at least, अगर आपके पास time नहीं है लिखने का, तो you can just like, so I'll know that somebody liked it, somebody, किसी के साथ तो resonate हुआ. So anyways, if you look at these 2 cards, coming back to the reading again, sorry. So first one, we have the Warrior card. So, which has a white horse and a lady. So it says that, आप past life में या तो literally you have fought battles for others, या फिर आप इतने courageous थे and you used to take challenge, empathetic also, so you used to take others' challenges on your own self and you used to try fighting others' battle. So empathy is one thing, but then हम सबका जो जिसका काम है वो उसी को करना पड़ता है. हम नहीं कर सकते सबका काम. हम सबको एडवाइस दे सकते हैं, सजेशन दे सकते हैं, अपने आप को चेंज कर सकते हैं टू मेक द थिंग्स बेटर, बट देन हम किसी और को चेंज नहीं कर सकते, किसी और को फोर्स नहीं कर सकते. ये बात आपको समझ में आ चुकी होगी, इसीलिए आप यहाँ पे हैं अभी, इसीलिए आप ये रीडिंग देख रहे हैं, इफ़ यू आर वॉचिंग. So what this card says, that you have been a warrior, but now it's time to understand कि अगर आप सबके battles खुद से लड़ने लग जाएंगे तो you will lose your peace and tranquility in your life. It will affect your own life. So right below this we have the idyllic memories, which shows कि कभी आपने पास में बहुत ही peaceful and tranquil and beautiful memories हैं आपकी पास में, जब आपकी लाइफ कभी परफेक्ट होती होगी. अगर वो इस लाइफ में नहीं है तो पहले कभी हुआ होगा. And because of this you feel that something is missing, you keep longing for something. So you are being asked कि आप दूसरों के battles ना लड़िए और सिर्फ अपने आप को priority दीजिए. Be your own priority and do what's right for you, what makes your life peaceful, tranquil, that gets you what you want. So be your own focus and priority. These 2 cards talk about that. अगर आपने past life में दूसरों के लिए बहुत कुछ किया है तो अभी टाइम है कि आप अपनी priority खुद बने और अपना idyllic लाइफ या फिर अपनी आइडियल लाइफ खुद क्रिएट करें. यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ एंड डिटर्मिनेशन टू डू एनीथिंग, materialize anything that you set your eyes on. It says personal power. You are a powerful being. You have the strength and determination to make your dreams a reality. Then comes Archangel Gabriel. So this card is of communication of all kinds. So this says कि past life में या तो आप बहुत अच्छे कम्युनिकेटर थे, बट देन आपको अथॉरिटीज़ ने या फिर फॉर सम रीज़न आपको किसी ने सप्रेस किया फॉर सम रीज़न, एंड आप अपना ट्रूथ नहीं बोल पाए. वॉट एवर यू फेल्ट, यू कुडंट स्पीक. सो अगर आज भी आप नहीं बोल पा रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ आर्कएंजल गैब्रियल को यू कैन जस्ट प्रे. दे आर ऑलवेज अराउंड एंड रेडी टू हेल्प. आप उनको प्रे करें कि वो आपको कम्युनिकेशन में, किसी से अपनी बात साफ साफ बोलने में हेल्प करें, हील करें अगर ऐसा कोई इशू है तो, कि आप नहीं बोल पाते हैं. Okay, so you can see you need to communicate properly whatever is your truth. Right under that you have servitude, जो आपको imagery ही बता देगा कि as if you've been a slave to somebody. अब not in the literal meaning, maybe in the past life में ऐसे होता था, right? We have seen in the movies कि there were human slaves. लोगों को मज़दूर बना के ख़रीद लिया जाता था, एंड थ्रू आउट देयर लाइफ वो किसी और के लिए काम करते थे. सो हियर इट शोज it's kind of a, a romantic kind of a relationship or something, if you look at these two, that the girl is, submissive and giving away all her powers to somebody else. So if that is the case in this scenario, you're being asked to अपनी desires, अपने relationship goals, what you think about the relationship, the way it should be, you have to communicate. अगर आपको किसी से कोई problem है तो don't just live with it. Communicate to make your life better, to have the peace in your life, have the strength to speak out and make your life peaceful. So this was these two cards. Then we have education and expressive talents, which I love these two cards. So first card, which says education, and it has that university, it says learning and teaching. So definitely in the past life you were associated with some kind of learning and teaching. सो या तो आपने कुछ सीखा है विच आर सपोज टू टीच, और या आप पहले कभी पढ़ाते होंगे शायद, या फिर आप हायर एजुकेशन, सिंस इट सेज यूनिवर्सिटी, आप हायर एजुकेशन में गए होंगे, या फिर आपको कुछ भी सीखने की ज़रूरत है. सो अगर आपने कुछ स्टार्ट किया है, कुछ सोचा है, समथिंग न्यू, यू कैन स्टार्ट लर्निंग. अगर आप ऑलरेडी सीख चुके हैं तो यू नीड टू शेयर. You need to teach others. Then it could be, it says expressive talents. So it could be some sort of art, creativity, music, any instrument, anything, any creative project that you do in this life, या आपने पहले सीखा है. So you have some sort of talents within you that you need to share, that you need to show to the world. And आजकल तो we have the platforms like YouTube. So हमें कहीं जाना नहीं है, अपनी टेबल पे बैठ के we can just do the work and show it to the world. So you need to show your creative talents, share your gifts with others. So if you see these two cards, कि आपको पिछले मतलब कुछ हर्ट रहा होगा या कुछ डिसअपॉइंटमेंट्स रहे होंगे इन सम सॉर्ट ऑफ रिलेशनशिप और इन एनीवेयर, एनी एस्पेक्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ. सो आई थिंक दिस इज़ वॉट यू नीड टू डू. एंड अगर आप ये करेंगे, दिस इज़ गोइंग टू हील यू एंड द वर्ल्ड इन सम वे. आई होप दिस रीडिंग हैज़ हेल्प्ड यू. आई वुड रिमाइंड यू एंड रिक्वेस्ट यू वंस मोर, अगर आपको अच्छी लगी हो रीडिंग, सो प्लीज़ टेल मी. इट टेक सम फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकेंड्स. लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट if you liked it. Thank you.